So should ITAM be concerned about FinOps? Absolutely, yes. And here's why, and let's start with some of the basics. First off, if you think about cloud assets and resources, well, what are they at their core? Well, they're just another IT asset, right? An instance on Amazon is a server, right? It happens to be sitting in their data center. So just like ITAM teams would be very keen to understand and have visibility into a server that's sitting in one of their data centers, well, the same thing applies to cloud. Number two is that even if the ITAM team is not directly chartered with kind of optimizing software in a cloud environment, you still are going to want to have transparency and be taking inventory as to what software is there. You're going to want to do that to make sure that you're staying within compliance. You're going to want to do that to make sure that you're audit ready. And then eventually, as your purchase process loads your stable with more licensable pieces of software that can run in different environments, you're going to need to know what inventory is going on in the cloud environment so that you can place the appropriate license, when called upon. So those are just kind of some of the basic reasons as to why ITAM, should care about what's running in a cloud environment. But the bigger reason is the opportunity and the risk. And the opportunity is what I showed earlier, which is there's significant savings and optimization opportunities for commercial license use in cloud environments. Just like you're looking at what's going on in your internal estate, you want to do the same thing within the cloud estate. And the second is the risk can be very, very high. Let's say, for example, you have a production environment that's running in cloud, and that production environment is running a piece of software, and that software is obsolete, and the vendor no longer supports it. You may have a cloud infrastructure situation that's exactly the way it needs to be, but it's compromised and exposed to risk because the software you're running on that has a known kind of obsolescence issue and is no longer supported. And so there you're looking at either potential security issues, or you're looking at potential overhead and cost for a refresh cycle to get that software up to date.